what she's saying is not true at all. You don't get the menu every single time you get a course. In fact, you don't even get the bread until after you ordered food. What's up guys, this is Alan again, back with another video. And today I want you guys to see this, this is going to be a short video. It's one of these TikTok videos that's been going viral. And of course, TikTok is a very toxic place full of inaccurate advice and news and everything. And this is another one that's related to the restaurant industry. So I want you guys to see it and let's go over why what this person is saying is not true.
Have you ever wondered why restaurants give you a bowl of bread or chips before your dinner? It's not because they want you to fill up on their free stuff. When you sit down, they hand you the menu. They hand you a bowl of bread or some chips and salsa or something. And it's not because they're being generous. It is because you will spend more money. Here's how. When you're looking at that menu, you're eating the bread or the chips. Biologically, what happens when you eat that bread or those chips, your glucose spikes, so you get really hungry. So you order the food, then they bring you more bread and more chips, and then they bring you the dessert menu. So when you go, fill up on fiber first. Get some veggies, some zucchini or some fried pickles are a better start. Even though they got the breading, you're getting some fiber. You got this.
Okay, so we saw that. First of all, what she's saying is actually not true at all. You don't get the menu every single time you get a course. In fact, you don't even get the bread until after you ordered food. So this makes no sense. I don't know why this video is going viral. Because it's like, have people never been out dining before? You don't get your bread while you're looking at the menu. All right? You get your bread after you order everything. So it doesn't make sense how this is a trick to get you more hungrier and make you order more food, because everything that you ordered is right from the beginning. You order your appetizers and then your entree and then maybe the dessert. But they're not giving the bread throughout the thing because they want to upsell and thing. You have already ordered from the beginning before you got the bread. So this doesn't make sense. I don't know why this video is going viral, because this is making a presumption that's not even true to begin with. And it doesn't make sense why anyone would get, like, bread makes you full. Like, it does not make you hungry, okay? The reason why they give bread is to give the perceived idea that you got more than what you ordered. So the value perception is higher. It's supposed to get you full more. It's not supposed to get you more hungry. Because if you did, that means the perception at the end of the meal means that the customers will feel like they got ripped off if they leave a meal hungry. And dessert has nothing to do with how hungry you are. I don't eat dessert because I'm still hungry. I just eat dessert as maybe like the frosting on the cake. No pun intended. But it's not because I'm still hungry. If I'm still hungry, then I'll go to the Jack in the Box after dinner. I'm not gonna order dessert. The dessert is only, let's say, like for a special occasion or something. And a lot of places includes the dessert right in the beginning. If you got a prefix, it would have included everything anyways. So it's not like you're gonna order any more food than those 4 courses. Yeah, I don't know why this video is going viral. It doesn't make any sense to begin with. Eating chips and bread, it does not make you hungrier. That makes no sense. In fact, when you go to a buffet, the first thing that they give you is carbs, so that by getting full in the beginning, you're less likely to stock up more on the expensive items, such as the steak. It makes so many wrong assumptions. One, again, you don't get the bread before you order any food. And 2, you do not get the menu repeatedly throughout the process. It's usually ordered in the beginning, unless you're at a bar and then you're ordering multiple shared appetizers. But usually bread is not given until you order some kind of entree. So anyways, that was the quick video. What do you guys think about this? Have you been to a place where they give you the bread before you order the food? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.